Literature review.
A literature review is a critical and comprehensive analysis of existing research and scholarship on a particular topic. It is essential to academic and scholarly writing, serving several crucial purposes. In this video, we will explore what a literature review is, why it is significant, how to conduct one effectively. A literature review is a systematic and organized summary of scholarly literature, academic articles, books, reports, etc., relevant to a specific research question or topic of study. It goes beyond merely listing and summarizing sources. It involves a critical analysis and synthesis of the existing knowledge on the chosen subject. Key characteristics of a literature review. Comprehensive. It covers a broad range of sources related to the research topic, ensuring that all relevant aspects are explored. Critical. A literature review involves the critical evaluation of sources, including their methodology, evidence, and arguments. Synthetic. It synthesizes the information from various sources to identify trends, patterns, and gaps in the existing literature. Objective. A well-constructed literature review aims to provide an unbiased overview of the existing research, avoiding personal opinions. Contextual. It places the research topic within the broader context of the academic field, showing how the study fits into the larger scholarly conversation. Now that we have a basic understanding of what a literature review is, let's explore why it holds such significance in academic and research settings. The significance of a literature review. A literature review plays a vital role in the research process and offers several significant advantages. Knowledge synthesis. A literature review helps researchers gather and synthesize existing knowledge on a specific topic. It provides an overview of what is currently known about the subject. Identifying gaps. It helps identify gaps in the existing literature where further research is needed. These gaps represent opportunities for new research and can guide the direction of a study. Contextualizing research. A literature review provides context for a research study. It helps researchers place their work within the larger academic conversation and understand how their research contributes to the field. Theory development. For theoretical studies, a literature review is crucial for building a theoretical framework. It helps researchers identify relevant theories and concepts that inform their research. Methodological guidance. Researchers can learn from the methods and approaches used in previous studies to inform their own research design and methodology. Avoiding duplication. It helps prevent duplication of research efforts by identifying what has already been done on a topic. Ethical considerations. Conducting a literature review ensures that researchers are aware of and acknowledge previous work on a topic, thereby avoiding plagiarism and giving proper credit to earlier contributors. Given the significance of literature reviews, let's now delve into the steps to conduct one effectively. How to conduct a literature review. Simplified steps. Conducting a literature review involves a systematic process. Here are simplified steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Define your research question. 1. Start by clearly defining the specific research question or topic you want to explore in your literature review. 1. Having a well-defined question will guide your search. Step 2. Search for relevant sources. 1. Use academic databases, library catalogs, and search engines like Google Scholar to find scholarly sources related to your topic. 1. Use keywords and phrases that are relevant to your research question. Step 3. Review and select sources. 1. Review the search results and select sources that are directly related to your research question and objectives. 1. Pay attention to the publication date of the sources to ensure they are up to date. Step 4. Organize your sources. 1. Organize the selected sources into categories or themes that are relevant to your research question. 1. This helps you see the overarching trends and patterns in the literature. Step 5. Analyze and synthesize. 1. Read and analyze each source critically. 1. Identify key findings, methodologies, and any gaps in the research. 1. Synthesize the information by summarizing the main points from each source. Step 6. Identify themes and patterns. 1. Look for common themes, patterns, and contradictions in the literature. 1. This step helps you draw conclusions and make connections between different studies. Step 7. Write your literature review. 1. Organize your findings and insights into a coherent narrative. 1. Start with an introduction that introduces your research question, followed by sections that present the literature, and conclude by summarizing the key takeaways. Step 8. Cite your sources. 1. Properly cite all the sources you used in your literature review using a consistent citation style, e.g., APA, MLA, Chicago. Step 9. Edit and revise. 1. Review and edit your literature review for clarity, coherence, and accuracy. 1. Ensure that it flows logically and contributes meaningfully to your research. Step 10. Seek feedback. 1. Consider sharing your literature review with colleagues or advisors to get feedback and suggestions for improvement. Remember that a well-conducted literature review is an essential foundation for any research project, providing the context and knowledge necessary to carry out meaningful research. Conclusion. In conclusion, a literature review is a critical component of academic and scholarly research. It serves to synthesize existing knowledge, identify research gaps, provide context, and guide the direction of a study. By following the simplified steps outlined in this guide, you can conduct an effective literature review that contributes significantly to your research efforts.